everybody, welcome to another episode of Cranking Out Crafts. My name is JFlo, and today we are going to show you some easy party favors. First of all, you're going to start out with a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. Here we have it right here, and you can see we've cut it into 4 by 6 sheets, and you can make 6 favors out of one 12 by 12. This is the cute little favor that we're making. Alright, so let's get started. You'll take your 12 by 12 sheet of paper, cut it into 4 by 6 sheets, and then you're going to take your double-sided tape. You put the double-sided tape on the 2 long sides and 1 short side. Okay, there we got it. And pull that white piece off to make it sticky off all the sides. Then what you're going to do is you're going to roll it like a toilet paper roll. I know it sounds silly, but this is how you remember. Roll it like a toilet paper roll. You'll point your seam towards your belly button and then squish. Roll it to the side, insert your candies, and then squish. Your final step of this will be to take your crimper and insert your paper and crimp. That just gives it that final little touch and detail. You'll do that on both sides. And to add a little flavor, you can just poke a hole with your hole punch and add a fancy ribbon. Just as easy as that.